Alright everyone, so we've gotten to the last of our beginner section, which is ovals. So basically for this one, we're definitely going to use everything we've learned in the previous sections, everything we've learned about strokes and curves, and we're going to bring it all together for this last section. So there's going to be 4 kinds of ovals. And I'll show you first what they look like in 4 different letters. First one is A. Next is in D. And P. And lastly, Q. So you might be thinking to yourself, how is that 4 different kinds of ovals? They all look exactly the same. You're crazy. I don't know what you're doing. So let me show you.